Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on turning. Turning of an object or shape involves a rotating motion around a particular set point. So, turning is a circular movement. Turning has a central point that stays fixed and everything else moves around that point in a circular path. A full turn is 360 degrees. So that's like a circle. A turn can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this grey letter F has been turned in that direction, which is clockwise, and there's the fixed point. The blue triangle has been turned in that direction, which is anti-clockwise. It's been turned through 120 degrees, and there's the fixed point. The smiley face has been turned in that direction, as you can see, 90 degrees, and that is clockwise, and there's the fixed point. Turning in real life, the chocolate wheel turns around a fixed point, which is the center of the circle. So there's the center, and when the wheel is turned, it can land on any number. Ferris wheels are found in many entertainment parks, and there is the center there. Wheel bearings are an important part of most vehicles and can keep turning for many thousands of kilometers. Spanners and other similar tools are essential in unlocking tight-fitting nuts, and they all undergo a turning motion. The hands of a clock turn around the fixed point at the center. There's the center there. A merry-go-round in the children's playground rotates around the central point. There's the central point there. So here are two exercises. Turn each of the following shapes around the given point. Use the number of degrees indicated. So read each of these very carefully, and you are invited to pause the video if you wish and sketch the answers. Now the answers are on the next slide, and I'll move there now. So here's your chance to pause the video if you want. So here we go. So here are the answers to those two exercises. And if you took your time and read those carefully, I'm sure you would have done those with no problems. So the video has introduced you to the concept of turning, which is a rotation around a fixed point, and the rotation can be clockwise or anti-clockwise.